Man, I can't believe that I got grounded for pouring green paint onto Rosie and Millie. They deserved it for always snitching on me and doing other crap to me. What should I do now? I have an idea. I am going to steal a police car because the police just had to arrest me for no reason at all. Hi 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 hi.
Oh, that is it. Lily is going to be so grounded for sneaking out of the house. How dare she do something like this?
Oh yes. I found a police car. Now, time to steal it.
Alright family, let's get Lily. She stole something that does not belong to her. Also, Millie won't be coming because she is too young to help us out in this form. Okay family, we are heading to a police car that was stolen by Lily. We need to tell by the speed the car is doing or if it's driving side by side or not.
Ha ha ha. I have successfully stolen the police car. Now, I am going to get away before the police chase me.
Lily, in the name of the Anderson family, you better pull over right now. You are so grounded, young lady.
Oh shoot, I must keep going faster.
Lily, you are going to be so grounded, young lady. I demand that you pull over right now. Lily, I am going a lot faster now. You may as well pull over since you are about to run out of gas.
Oh crap, how did Dad know that I was running out of gas? This isn't good at all. Guys, why are you looking so mad at me? I didn't do anything wrong.
Lily, how dare you steal a police car? You should know that stealing is illegal. We are going home right now.
You are grounded until Christmas. Go to your room right now.
What?